Whatever you're doing right now, you're not doing it the right way. Do you know that your current 8-hour work can be done in just an hour? Do you understand what it means? You can earn 8 times more of your salary, just like working 8 jobs together in your 9-to-5 job. The answer is AI. Have you ever wondered how AI could potentially change your financial landscape? Are you curious about leveraging AI to create multiple streams of income? Wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into 8 easy and high-income hustles that harness the power of AI to generate thousands, even millions of dollars each month. I've poured countless hours into researching the most effective AI tools and strategies to ensure you get the most value of this content. As someone who's experienced the lows of financial struggle firsthand, I'm committed to helping you achieve financial freedom through innovative means. So buckle up, because the AI revolution is here, and it's time to seize the opportunity. Side Hustle 1. Do you have a passion for storytelling? Imagine being like Amar Rashi, a product design manager at a financial tech company who turned a passion project into a high-income side hustle. With the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney, he wrote and designed a captivating children's book titled Alice and Sparkle in less than 3 days. Utilizing ChatGPT for writing and Midjourney for illustrations, Rashi's book became an instant hit, reminiscent of the creativity of Picasso combined with the charm of Alice in Wonderland. With a short span, Alice and Sparkle sold 1,300 items, earning Rashi $2,600 despite Amazon's huge royalty cuts. Now, here's the real thing. With Amazon KDP, you can set your own prices and leverage print-on-demand services. This means zero upfront costs and no need to stock inventory. You simply upload your content, and Amazon prints and ships it as orders come in. It's essentially like having your own money-making printing press. Moreover, ChatGPT isn't just for children's stories. It's a versatile tool for crafting articles tailored to adult audiences as well. So whether you're dreaming of publishing a whimsical tale or sharing insightful content, these tools can turn your passion into profit with minimal hassle. Side Hustle 2. If you have good writing skills, this one's for you. Imagine this. Henry Williams, a freelancer from London, found a game changer in ChatGPT. He utilized this AI to churn out marketing articles swiftly. Within 30 seconds, a 600-word article popped up, leaving him awestruck. While the tone lacked human touch, the grammar and structure were impeccable. After minor adjustments, he confidently charged $615 for such articles. It's a paradigm shift. By leveraging AI, Henry transformed laborious tasks into lucrative ventures. Now consider this. Resume writing. How could AI streamline this process? With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. Join the league of forward thinkers like Henry, maximizing earnings with minimal effort. It's not just about working smarter. It's about rewriting the rules of earning online. Side Hustle 3. Are you passionate about crafting words that make a powerful impact? Then this side hustle is calling your name. Imagine this. You're scrolling through LinkedIn and stumble upon a profile that's a total mess. It's like they've used every buzzword in the book without making any sense. That's where you swoop in with your ChatGPT skills to save the day. So here's the deal. ChatGPT isn't just for casual conversation. It's a powerhouse for writing killer resumes, cover letters, and even LinkedIn profiles. Take it from venture capitalist Kimball, who runs a tight ship at Work-Life Ventures. She's dishing out serious cash to freelancers on platforms like Upwork to spruce up her team's profiles. Now, picture this. Hundreds of people flocking to these platforms, willing to shell out big bucks for polished documents. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to tap into this goldmine. So if you've got a talent for words, try out the resume writing. Side Hustle 4. If you're passionate about coding or some skills for it, this side hustle might just be your best option. Picture this. You're diving into the world of software development, but you're not exactly fluent in languages like JavaScript or Python. That's where ChatGPT swoops in to save the day. We are now witnessing the power of AI replacing traditional programmers, with Google crafting its own code using these innovative tools. Sure, ChatGPT might not churn out flawless code just yet, but it's a game changer for budding programmers. You can use it as a springboard to flesh out your ideas and turn them into profitable ventures. Need help troubleshooting? Throw your code back into ChatGPT and voila! It's like having your personal coding guru at your fingertips. Think about it. With Midjourney generating sleek graphics for mobile games and ChatGPT handling the coding, you could be raking in $20 to $100 a day from app downloads alone. And let's not forget about social media ads. Businesses are often clueless about running effective campaigns on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. That's where you come in. So why not turn your passion in coding into profit? The possibilities are endless, and the earnings, well, they speak for themselves. Side Hustle 5. If you're into unleashing your creative side, this hustle might just be your ticket to success. You, sitting at your desk, turning your passion for design into a profitable hustle. With tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, the possibilities are endless. From crafting eye-catching visuals to designing killer marketing materials, You name it. Picture this. You, yes you, snagging gigs on platforms like Upwork, showcasing your skills to the world. And here's the kicker. Start small, reel them in with irresistible offers, build your rep, then watch the cash flow. Trust me, even if you're Picasso in the making, AI's got your back. With its generative prowess, it's a game changer not just in visuals, but across the board. Side Hustle 6. If you're passionate about creating music and want to turn that passion into a high-income side hustle, then this is for you. Imagine this. You're sitting at your computer, tapping into your creative zone, and suddenly, you come up with a brilliant melody in your head. But instead of just humming it to yourself, you decide to turn it into a fully fledged piece of music that could potentially earn you some serious cash. That's where AI-generated royalty-free music comes into play. With tools like Google's Music LM and Meta's open-source M-Second Audio, you can create high-quality music simply by inputting text prompts or images. Whether you're feeling happy, sad, or even a little angry, there's a genre for every mood. But the real magic happens when you start earning royalties. Platforms like Spotify offer streams for royalty-free music, meaning your creations could reach millions of listeners worldwide. And if you're a content creator like me on YouTube, having access to royalty-free music is a game changer. But wait, there's more. With software that allows you to upload AI renderings of your own voice, you can earn a cut of the royalties every time your voice is used in a song. Plus, AI-generated hits have the potential to go viral, opening up even more opportunities for income. Bonus! If you're an overall player, the jack of all trades, then this is the ultimate side hustle for you. You've got a passion for creating content, but you're strapped for time. Your regular job takes up most of your day, leaving little room for pursuing your creative dreams. Yet you know deep down that you have what it takes to make big. Welcome to the world of AI-powered YouTube channels. It's the reality of today. You can start by leveraging Midjourney to craft eye-catching channel art and design your profile icon. Next, you enlist the help of ChatGPT to brainstorm a catchy channel name, decide on video topics, and even script your content, all without breaking a sweat. And here's the kicker, you don't even have to show your face on camera. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of Vind? This innovative platform takes your prompts and churns out entire video presentations complete with captions. That's right, no more agonizing over what to say or spending hours editing footage. And for the icing on the cake, there's Beffy, an AI voice generator that adds professional-grade voiceovers to your videos, making them polished and engaging. Now, compare the streamlined process, taking just 15 to 20 minutes per video, to the traditional content creators grind. While they're sweating over scripts and endless retakes, you're churning out quality content at lightning speed thanks to AI. Still skeptical? Well, let me drop a bombshell. Major influencers like Quibble are already jumping on the AI bandwagon. Quibble recently introduced his AI persona, WildBee, which now handles the bulk of his channel's content. And the numbers don't lie. Quibble's monthly earnings, estimated at a staggering $120,000 to $360,000, speak volumes about the potential of AI-driven content creation. If you're still not ready harnessing the power of AI, you're missing out on opportunities. If you're the jack of all trades and want to learn YouTube automation, you might want to check out some of our videos. I'll see you around!